The year is 2024. The world has been grappling with the COVID-19 pandemic for years, and the impact has been profound. While vaccines and antiviral drugs have been developed, some are turning to more natural solutions, seeking comfort in age-old remedies. Among the affluent, a curious trend has emerged: the use of essential oils as a defense against the virus, blending luxury with perceived health benefits. These potent plant extracts, long prized for their aromas and therapeutic properties, are now being incorporated into daily routines as a form of preventative medicine. But can these ancient remedies truly offer protection against a modern-day plague? The question remains a topic of debate. The use of essential oils is not merely a passing fad. It reflects a deeper yearning for natural wellness solutions. It stems from a growing desire for natural alternatives to traditional pharmaceuticals as people seek to reconnect with nature. Many are seeking to boost their immunity and protect themselves from illness through holistic means, integrating essential oils into their wellness practices. Essential oils, with their long history of medicinal use, offer a tantalizing solution, blending the wisdom of the past with the needs of the present. Essential oils are not a new discovery. They have been cherished and utilized for thousands of years. For centuries, cultures around the world have harnessed the power of plants for their healing properties, creating remedies that have stood the test of time. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, incorporated essential oils into their medical practices, recognizing their potent effects. These concentrated plant extracts were used to treat a wide range of ailments, from skin conditions to digestive issues, and even for spiritual and ritualistic purposes. The knowledge of essential oils and their benefits has been passed down through generations, preserving ancient wisdom. Today, modern science is beginning to unlock the secrets behind their effectiveness, validating what ancient cultures knew intuitively. Research is uncovering the complex chemical compounds within essential oils that contribute to their therapeutic properties, offering new insights into their potential uses in modern medicine. The COVID-19 pandemic has led many to reevaluate their health and wellness routines. The limitations of conventional medicine have become apparent, and individuals are increasingly seeking alternative solutions. Natural remedies, such as essential oils, offer a holistic approach to health and well-being. The appeal of natural alternatives lies in their perceived gentleness and lack of harsh side effects. Essential oils derived from plants resonate with those seeking a more natural approach to healthcare. They offer a sense of empowerment and control over one's health, particularly in the face of a global pandemic. Essential oils possess inherent antiviral and immune-boosting properties. These properties stem from their complex chemical compositions, which vary depending on the plant from which they are derived. Some oils, such as oregano and thyme, contain compounds with potent antimicrobial activity. These compounds can directly inhibit the growth and replication of viruses. Other oils, like eucalyptus and peppermint, help to open up the airways and clear congestion, making it easier for the body to fight off infection. Furthermore, many essential oils have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce the severity of symptoms. Among the wealthy, certain essential oils have gained particular popularity for their purported ability to ward off COVID-19 and other illnesses. These oils are not just a trend, but are believed to offer real health benefits. Tea tree oil, known for its powerful antiseptic properties, is a top choice for its ability to kill germs and boost immunity. It is often used in various forms, from diffusers to topical applications, to maximize its benefits. Lavender oil, renowned for its calming effects, is also sought after for its antiviral and immune-supporting benefits. Its soothing aroma not only helps in relaxation, but also strengthens the body's defenses against pathogens. Another favorite is lemon oil, prized for its invigorating scent and ability to purify the air. Its fresh aroma is not just pleasant, but also helps in creating a cleaner environment. Lemon oil is believed to stimulate the lymphatic system, which plays a crucial role in immune function. By supporting the lymphatic system, lemon oil helps the body to efficiently remove toxins and fight off infections. These oils are often diffused into the air, applied topically to the skin, or added to cleaning products to create a protective barrier against the virus. Their versatility makes them a valuable addition to any health-conscious household.